Hi, my name is Jason Fields, and today I'm going to be showing you our new Fields LOGMASTER. Now, this product is patent pending and is built right here in the United States. It's developed so that you can pick up a log when you're by yourself. Normally you use a grappler or maybe a pair of chains. That requires either a second person or that requires you to get off of your tractor, hook up, and get back on your tractor and move the log wherever you're going to move it. This is real simple. Simply bolt a ball or weld a ball to the top of your tractor, and then you simply hook this on like this and you're ready to go. To take it off, exactly the opposite. The other thing about this is it's very compact, so it's not going to take a lot of storage space, and this thing is built to last. We built it with 5/8 steel plate for the teeth, and we built it out of 1/4 inch wall 2x2 tubing. Get yours today. If you have questions, give us a call.